Okay, so for number 5, we're given A, B, C, D, the sets as in exercise 2, and I've just copied them here. And it's asking us which pair of these 4 sets are disjoint. So remember that a pair is disjoint if they have no values in common. If they have at least one value that is in common, they are not disjoint. So first let's do A and B. So A, if we choose, say, 4, well, 4 is between 3 and 8, right? And 4 is between 2 and 6. So they definitely have 4 in common, so that's not disjoint. What about A and C? Well, 3 is contained in A because that's a square bracket, and 3 is contained in C because 3 is between 1 and 4. So they have 3 in common, so that's not disjoint. What about A and D? Well, if you take, for example, the value 6, 6 is between 3 and 8, yes, and 6 is after 5, which is contained in D, because 6 is between 5 and infinity. So they do have the value 6 in common, so that's not disjoint. What about B and C? So B and C, if I take, say, the value 2, 2 is included in B, because that's a square bracket, and 2 is included in C, because 2 is between 1 and 4. So they have 2 in common, and so that's not disjoint. What about B and D? So if you choose the value 6, right, 6 is included in B, because that's a square bracket, and 6 is between 5 and infinity. So they have at least the value 6 in common, so that's not disjoint. And what about C and D? Well, we can see here that C and D is between 1 and 4, and D is between 5 and 8. So if you, for example, choose the value 4.5, right? So 4.5 is not in them. If you choose the value anywhere between 1 and 4, 1 and 4 is not included in 5 to infinity. And if you choose anything between 5 and infinity, that's not going to be included in 1 and 4. So actually, they have nothing in common here. And if you draw them on the number line, you can see that that's going to be 1, 4, 5. And you can see that C is from here to here excluded. And D is going to be from 5 all the way out to infinity. So you have this whole, basically they have nothing in common. So this one is the only one that's going to be disjoint. And that is it for number 5.